BYOB. Disclaimer. The information provided by BYOB Network on our website is for general informational purposes only. All information on the BYOB site is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied. We do not make or guarantee any income claims. Your use of the site is solely at your own risk. BYOB will not be responsible for products or services originating from other websites, nor do we monitor any transaction originating from third-party websites. We are part of the trending $375 billion digital advertising industry. Our company is one of the fastest growing in relationship marketing. We exceeded 50,000 memberships, breaking records with over 3 million visitors to our site in the first 30 days of our soft launch. Through the BYOB network, we supply innovative products and services to our community.